Please burp. Please burp.
No, your whole family's gonna yell at me. There's no way.
What?
No.
Why?
You want me to beat you up?
No.
Exactly.
Burp.
So no.
No, I said burp.
Okay, come here. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me cover it up until I do it.
Ew! Dude, that's a pop app.
Buildings erected on unstable muddy soils can collapse as if their foundations have been built on quicksand. The same thing that occurred in Heraklion in the 2nd century BC occurred in New Zealand in 2011.
Let me cover it up until you do it.
Land
Hey.
liquefaction devastated a modern
Mia.
city.
Please burp again.
So imagine the impact in ancient times.